In my capacity as the course director, I now present to you, sir, the 168 strong participants of Executive Motorcycle Riding Course Class R7 2026-01, Dahunong! 1 EMCRC 2023 from Haguros, 1 EMCRC 2023 from Badhas. Ready for graduation, sir.
For the declaration of graduates, to be followed by the reading of authority to wear a rider's badge, may I request Police Colonel Glenn D. Mayam, sir, Deputy Director for Administration.
In my capacity as Deputy Director for Administration of the High Patrol Group, pursuant to HPG General Orders Number 46, 2026, I hereby declare that the Executive Motorcycle Riding Course AMRC Class R7-2026-01, Dahunong, composed of 168 participants who completed the 16 training days graduates effective this date.